Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to play Friday Night Funkin' with the controller. So you just need to connect a controller from Bluetooth, go to Play Store, and install this app called Octopus. This one, Octopus Play Games with Gamepad, Mouse, Keyboard. You can play that with a mouse and a keyboard and stuff. And I'm gonna leave on the description of the Friday Night Funkin' game because that works with it so good. But if there's a virus, then don't install it. Then you go to the app. Like I said, I will pick Friday Night Funkin'. And I'm not saying a bad word. I'm saying funkin', not the F word. And I would not say that because this is a kid-friendly channel. I'm gonna just go to the games. You see that octopus over here, right? Like I can move it. You can record with that. I don't want to right now. You pick what week, whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna just pick tutorial, but I already know how to do week 1. I don't know if it's black for you, the screen, like the characters and stuff. But if it is, sorry. But if it's not, good. Okay, so you press this 4 times. Get that? So you map the controller to like these buttons over here. That's up. I'm making down. And now this one. And finally, there. And now, see? It shows the controllers and then look and girlfriend would do the things and then I could do it even though I have a controller. For some reason the mobile version of Friday Night Funkin' does not support a controller. Dude, I missed. See, I'm not even faking. Right now I'm not recording on my tablet because my tablet for some reason it doesn't work anymore. See, it works perfectly. And bye guys.